Anyone with cognitive illness may be at risk of wandering. Patients with dementia may go wander at any stage of their illness. My name is Dalia Hanna, and I'm a Ph.D. student at the Department of Computer Science at Ryerson University. Research suggests that 20% of the wanderers will suffer an injury if they're not found within 24 hours. My research focus is on supporting the search and rescue efforts in locating wandering patients with dementia using unmanned aerial vehicles as part of the network centering applied research team, the NCART, at Ryerson University. The deployment of UAVs is an emerging research area, and its use will have the potential to offer solutions in a wide variety of applications. The goal of this research is to design an algorithm or a theoretical model to help in predicting a path of a wanderer and to efficiently detect a wandering patient with dementia.